In the upcoming legislative, there is an unprecedented opportunity to address an issue that strikes at the heart of free markets, individual freedom, and consumer choice. The right to repair. As a staunch advocate for this movement, I believe now is the perfect time to advance this critical cause. The right to repair benefits Americans across political and socioeconomic lines. What is the right to repair? At its core, the right to repair movement demands that manufacturers, including automakers, provide consumers and independent repair shops with access to the tools, diagnostics, software updates, and repair data necessary to fix modern vehicles. It challenges the stranglehold manufacturers have established by limiting repairs to authorized dealerships, often at the expense of consumer choice and competition in the market. The current model, where automakers restrict repair data to authorized dealerships, stifles competition and creates a monopoly-like environment. By ensuring independent repair shops have access to the same information as dealerships, the market becomes more competitive, benefiting consumers with lower prices and better service. Advocating for consumer choice. At its heart, the right to repair is about individual freedom. Consumers should have the autonomy to choose where and how to repair their vehicles without being forced into high-cost options dictated by manufacturers. Passing right to repair legislation empowers consumers, restoring their right to make decisions about their own property. Supporting small businesses. Independent repair shops, often small family-owned businesses, are vital to local economies. Allowing these shops access to repair data levels the playing field with large dealership chains, enabling small businesses to thrive and provide affordable alternatives to consumers. Cost savings for families. With inflation and economic pressures impacting everyday Americans, reducing repair costs is a tangible way to ease financial burdens. Studies have shown that the monopolization of repair services leads to higher costs. By enabling competition, right to repair legislation ensures fair pricing for vehicle repairs, putting more money back into the pockets of hardworking families. Reducing waste and promoting sustainability. The right to repair isn't just an economic issue, it's an environmental one. Allowing easier repairs extends the lifespan of vehicles, reduces waste, and lessens the demand for new car production. This aligns with conservative values of stewardship and sustainability without resorting to heavy-handed government mandates. Addressing manufacturer concerns. Opponents of the right to repair, particularly automakers, often cite concerns about safety, cybersecurity, and intellectual property. These arguments, while important, are solvable. Safety-independent repair shops are already regulated and required to adhere to industry standards. Expanding access to repair data does not mean abandoning safety protocols. It ensures that qualified mechanics have the tools to perform repairs accurately. Modern encryption and access controls can protect sensitive vehicle systems while still providing independent repair shops with the necessary data for diagnostics and repairs. Right to repair legislation does not demand public access to proprietary designs. It simply ensures that consumers and repair professionals can fix what they own without compromising innovation. The path forward. The Repair Act. The Right to Equitable and Professional Auto Industry Repair, Repair Act, provides a clear legislative framework to achieve these goals. By mandating that automakers share repair data and tools, the Repair Act ensures fairness, transparency, and accessibility in the automotive repair industry. Passing this legislation would be a win for consumers, small businesses, and the broader economy.